Alright, so we just got probably the first and only snow in Alabama for this year. So I'm gonna give it a shot, ride my dirt bike around in it. Hope I don't hit any ice and wreck. We'll see. Good at right-hand turns. Let's try some left-hand ones. I'm probably going to wipe out. Slippery out here. I can't even hit the gas at all without slipping out a little bit. Oh man. Alright, so while I take a break to let my hands warm up a little bit, I'd like to shout out this video's sponsor, which is me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, share. It helps me out a lot. Alright, now let me get back to riding. Before I get to go riding, I get to hand feed the dog. Yeah, let's do that. If y'all haven't noticed, I got a new mount on my camera. I got it mounted to my helmet now. If you like it, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, let's start riding. hard to get any speed, at least any meaningful amount. direction to do any jumps, I guess. That bridge just scared the shit out of my head. Straight into the trailer. Wow. Oh man. This is fun, man. I probably need to stop before my parents get mad for tearing up the yard. Because all these lines probably aren't going to go away once the snow melts. Let's keep going. Oh no. Alright, so here's all the aftermath of me trying to drift in our front yard. Yeah, I don't think my parents are going to be very happy about that, but I'll just have to deal with it. It's a snow day. You can do whatever you want, right? Just made a really cool snowman. See, that's his head. That's his legs down there. Since I made the snowman, I'm gonna drive through it. It's kind of really starting to rain, so after that, the bike's going up for today. Oh man, it was fun while it lasted, but I don't want ice all over everything. So. Alright, well, guys, I'm calling it quits for today since a lot of it's kind of melting away, and yeah, it's starting to rain, so it's going to just start getting icy instead of snow. I wish my neighbor's dog would shut up. Well, if y'all did enjoy the video, please make sure you like and subscribe. Share the video, comment if you have anything you want to say to me. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video.